Ali Alex. Today we're going on a different kind of adventure. Hoopla. This looks dangerous, huh? We're going into the devil's cave. The devil's cave. Oh, Jesus. I really did the cave this, you know. Alex, wait for me. Left, hold on a minute. Right, let's see. Check my time. Climb down the devil's cave. It's scary. Oh, Jesus. Alex! We Medusa, the devil's cave in a dark like wow. Whoa. In between some rocks, you can't see nothing at all. More than air water. Jamoy, go and here, Daddy. If I count you, I stop right here, sir. More than water rushing down. Oh, Jordan, I'm going up back. Why? As you can see, the water, we're inside the rock. Many rocks block up together. You can't see nothing. We can never go to calm the flash because we can't see nothing with the flash. I don't flash the funny. Flash the funny, but we can't see nothing. You can't see nothing at this devil's cave. I come out because it look creepy. It look creepy, but no wonder it's called the devil's cave. No, no, Melina, on va aller, no. Ali, no. No, on va aller. Viens, Melina. Allez. Alex, viens. Là, this devil's cave look creepy. Alex! Can't even see Alex when the karate. Oh, Jesus. But this is the way out. Only good. Rain, only good. I made it. The devil's cave. When even like the El Goat, La Rivière, L'Argent Fall. 20 meters and disappear under the black field in the depth of a cave called the Devil's Cave. According to legend, this is what's inside of it. According to legend, a revolutionary from Bern, this cave at the time was being called. Hey, hola. Interesting. Take a picture so you guys can read for yourself. And the Red Bridge. Pont Rouge in French, meaning Red Bridge. Take another picture. Now explain after. You notice of the color of the water look reddish brownish. This bridge was a bridge used by soldiers in the past. Isn't it amazing? The road up there, so okay, the water look reddish. So, the queen of YS, fell in love with a young man from this forest that was living in this forest. The queen asked him to come with her, maybe to a castle or leave the forest, and he refused. She followed him into the forest, and his fiancée was waiting for him. She discovered that he wasn't in love with her, and she drowned both of them in this river. That's the reason why the river have this color, because the river draw the color, their blood and love for each other. Yep, horrible, huh? But history. History, that's French history. Wow, c'est incroyable ça. C'est à vous, là? Wow. Oh, merci. Bonne journée. I don't know what the heck he's doing, but he might play a sword or a bone in the forest and take pictures. I decided to do the same thing too. Huh? This bridge here. I'm not know. Sign for read what this bridge is about, but I guess this bridge was built in the ancient time too. A pause to have the snack, afternoon snack at this snack place in the middle of the forest. As you can see, I'm making a difference. On va voir. Il m'a gossé ça dans ma voiture. Bonjour. Mathieu, where come? Bonjour. Va pleuvoir ou pas? Wow. And then giant plant. Wow. On va prendre goûter ici alors. Oh, Mélie, attention. Oh là, doucement. Ah. Où ça? Il y a des grenouilles dedans?
Non, c'est parce que je crois parce que la dernière fois j'étais venue et ils ont dit qu'il y avait des poissons rouges.
Des poissons rouges? Oui. Des grosses poissons rouges?
Peut-être qu'ils sont noirs ou alors qu'ils sont noirs.
Allez, pousse. 1, 2, 3. That's not gonna work, make my water stagnant. Alex, look here, sir. Look here, sir.
Yes, sir.
Stagnant water. Let me look at the flowers in the water. Maya, go on. Allez, va.
C'est vraiment un pays pour grenouilles, ça.
Maya, this is in one place, one country for frog. But it's nice, huh? In this place, smack in the middle of nowhere. Potato snack. First, you want to plant like this, huh? Originate from Brazil.
Si j'avais mon père, j'aurais peur.
It look nice. Look like something magic.
Avec une piqûre de guêpe.
Ta crêpe au
Mais ça,
chocolat,
c'est
elle
une
arrive. T'inquiète, Mimi, t'inquiète.
C'est pas une guêpe. Je suis un bébé. Je vois comme un bébé.
Monte Daddy Willie de pays de Gonwy, Maya? T'as monté Daddy Willie de pays de Gonwy?
Ouais. C'est la capitale de la grenouille.
La capitale de la Gonwy? Chin, Maya?
Toi, tu veux maintenant ça?
Ouais, chin. Santé. C'est bon? C'est bon, Mimi? Ah, même. Oh?
Regarde même pas.
My little princess.
Oui.